Think back to the last time you had a great idea. Maybe it was a lesson for a classroom, a new business plan, or a story with a deep meaning. You tried to explain it, but people's eyes drifted away. Their minds wandered. In a world full of noise, it's hard to get anyone to truly see what you're thinking. But then, something happens. A hand picks up a marker. It touches a blank white surface and draws a single line. Suddenly, everyone stops. They watch. They wait. This is the power of whiteboard animation. It's not just a video, it's a journey. Our brains are wired to love a mystery. When we see a drawing starting, we can't help but stay to see how it ends. It turns a boring talk into a living story. Imagine what you can do when you have everyone's full attention. You can take the most brain-twisting topics and turn them into simple pictures. This is why explainer videos are so famous. They make the complicated feel like a breeze. In education, students don't just hear a lesson, they see it grow. It helps them remember more and learn faster. You can tell stories and moral lessons that feel personal. Because it looks hand-drawn, it feels human, it feels real. Whether you are marketing a product or pitching a dream to investors, a whiteboard video keeps people watching until the very last second. Instead of long, dry manuals, you can use training videos that actually show people what to do, step by step. Even dry data and infographics become exciting when they are drawn right before your eyes. For a long time, people thought you had to be a master artist or a computer genius to create this kind of magic, but we believe that every great idea deserves to be seen. That is why we created VityBoard. VityBoard is a simple, powerful software designed for everyone. You don't need to be an artist, you just need your ideas. Whether you are a teacher, a creator, or a business owner, VityBoard gives you the tools to draw your vision and share it with the world. VityBoard, where your ideas come to life.